Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Proxy by Janitor AI in Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. If you want to enhance your AI chat experience with a proxy, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. First open your internet browser on your Windows 11 PC. This could be Chrome, Edge, or any other browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Janitor AI and hit enter. Then click on the official Janitor AI website from the search results. Make sure you have a profile in this AI. Step 2. Once you're on the website, browse through the available AI bots. Look for a bot that has Proxy enabled mentioned on its profile. This is important because only these bots can be used with a proxy. Step 3. When you found the bot you want to chat with, scroll down and click on Start Chat button at the bottom of the bot's page. This will open the chat window. Step 4. Now look at the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 5. From the menu options, select API settings. This is where you can configure the proxy settings for your AI model. Step 6. Under the API settings, you'll see different options. On the right side, click on Proxy to enable it. This ensures that your bot is connected through a proxy server for better performance and access. Step 7. Next, look for the model section. By default, it may be set to custom, but you need to change it. Click on the drop-down menu and select Open AI Preset instead. Step 8. Once you've selected Open AI Preset, another drop-down will appear. Here you can choose your preferred AI model like GPT-4 or Turbo. Select the one that best suits your needs. Step 9. If you have a specific proxy URL provided to you, this is where you can enter it. This step is optional, so if you don't have a custom proxy, you can skip it. Step 10. Finally, to make sure everything is set up correctly, click on Check API Key Model. This will verify your connection and confirm that the proxy is working as expected, and that's it. So that's basically how you can use Proxy by Janitor AI in Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.